Welcome to a video demonstration of a desktop programmable robotic router for depaneling circuit boards. This machine is a user-friendly, high-speed, safe benchtop router with a small footprint. It is extremely easy to use, requires minimal maintenance, and is cost-effective when used with boards that are complex in shape, very small, of high value, or boards that cannot tolerate stress during depaneling. The machine we will see is the JR2403RU. The RU model of router uses a spindle motor assembly with a built-in vacuum to draw dust and debris away from the board and work area. Debris is collected in this container with a disposable filter. The container is at the moment underneath the desk. The advantage of an up vacuum system is the ability to use our adjustable fixture, which we will illustrate in this video. Dedicated fixtures are also available for these routers, and while more expensive, make it very easy for setup in some applications. This model has a working area of 300 by 300 millimeters, while other models range from 200 by 200 millimeters to 510 by 510 millimeters. This short video will show how the desktop router will process and our demonstration panel. The router is capable of cutting through angles or radius edges because the built-in software applies three-dimension line and arc interpolation of the various points of movement. The router is capable of speeds up to 800 millimeters per second when not routing. The adjustable fixture uses a master plate with a series of tapped holes on a 1032 pitch into which standoffs that measure 1.5 inch are turned down to a specific pin diameter of the board slot. These pins are designed to hold the board in place during and after routing, and in many cases will require pins in several of the slots for proper retention. For large boards, a standoff with a flat is recommended for support. The standard fixture comes with 50 standoffs and 50 of the adjusters, which are fastened to the plate and hold the standoffs with pins. Additional standoffs and adjusters can be ordered with turn-down pins or blanks that you can turn down as the application calls for. When a program is started on the robot, the vacuum is turned on automatically. Programming of the machine can be done with a very user-friendly teaching pendant with its large 7-line LCD screen. The position of the robot and expanded views of the work points are achieved with the pendant, making it an asset when programming. The software used in the pendant and robot has eliminated the need to learn complicated programming languages. An interactive dialogue-based software allows the user to easily walk through a setup. Using the pendant, the machine can store up to 255 programs or 30,000 work points. A work point is the X, Y, or Z position in the coordinate system of the router head. PC software called JR Points is available, which allows the user to program work points or edit a program from a PC and download the program to the router. The software allows you to view all program data in the form of a spreadsheet and to print, edit, store, and download an unlimited number of programs. Typical programming using the pendant requires the operator to jog the arm in the X, Y, or Z axis work point and enters the point. This is done from work point to work point until the entire panel has been programmed. Once an individual board is programmed, you can copy that program for as many boards as there are on the panel. Panels such as our demo panel take as little as 15 minutes to program. A spindle motor load indicator is integrated into the system, which detects the level of load on the spindle motor. A high load indicates either a router bit that is worn and needs replacing, or the cutting speed is excessive and is putting an overload on the spindle motor. In this case, the line speed should be reduced. A plexiglass safety shield is provided that can be easily removed for loading and unloading. It can be secured with 2 thumb screws or just sit on the robot base for faster removal. A light curtain or full enclosure are also available if you are interested. Now let's see how the router runs the program we've created for this panel. The operation is simple. Once the board is loaded on the fixture, the correct program is entered and the start button is pushed. The boards will be quickly separated without stress and without burrs. The machine speed has been set at 5 millimeters per second, which is a percentage of the maximum. Let's watch it cut a panel. Okay, Todd King of EI Microcircuits, let's see how the router runs the program we've created for your panel. The operation is simple. Once the board is loaded on the fixture, the correct program is entered and the start button is pushed. The boards will be quickly separated without stress and without burrs. The machine speed has been set at 5 millimeters per second, which is a lower percentage of the maximum. Okay, let's watch it cut. Okay, the cycle time was 43.9 seconds. We'll call it 44 seconds. And that concludes this brief video demonstration of the Fancourt programmable router. For more information, a price quote, or to discuss dedicated fixturing for your panel, or to learn about the full line of Fancourt depaneling products, contact Steve Hoover at 1-888-FANCORT, F-A-N-C-O-R-T, extension 223. In addition to our depaneling products, Fancourt products offerings include hot bar soldering, robotic screw fastening, pneumatic and servo presses, and PCB paneling racks. Please visit our website at fancourt.com.
Okay, Todd, here's another one of your boards ready to go on our router. With that, we have a cycle time of 46 seconds.